Creating a robot that is as dense with performance as a Scout 3 requires a certain boldness. You have to say, we are going to make it fit, and then work from there. The goal is to have not a collection of components, but one system that works together as a whole. My name is Arthur Admiraal. I am the lead electrical engineer and one of the co-founders of Lobster Robotics. I've been with the project since before we were a company. And I've seen the growth of it just being an idea in our mind to now building some of the best quality underwater robots in the world.
Hello, my name is Stefan Rutten. I'm the CEO of Lobster Robotics.
I'm the lead mechanical engineer of Lobster Robotics. I'm also a co-founder and I've been with Lobster from the beginning. And I've also been the lead mechanical designer of the Scout 3.
We've took the prototype that we had with the Scout 2 and made it into a real product that's ready for our customers to start using.
Nearly everything is improved in Scout 3 compared to the Scout 2. Apart from a general upgrade in robustness, we have an improved camera system, much higher computing power. All the thrusters have been moved to the inside of the hull, and every part of the system is a lot easier to maintain.
We really focused on the user friendliness of the Scout 3. We have integrated handlebars, it has legs to stand on, the trimming system is easier to use, replacing propellers is easier, so it can really be used by anyone.
The Scout 3 kind of captures the DIY mentality we have in the team. It's a robot that you can throw in the water and it will go on and do its job, just like how we ourselves will just go on and perform some work.
When I look at the Scout 3, I don't just see another pink tube. I see a product of hard work, perseverance, and a testimony to how our team has grown over the past 6 months.
I learned a lot from working together with mechanical engineers and also getting some of the tough realities from the field. So one of the biggest things I learned is that the best part is no part. It doesn't break, it doesn't weigh anything, it doesn't cost anything. And we really try to design our robots with this philosophy.
There's always a moment when stuff just goes wrong. And that's where I've really learned over the past year to step in as a leader and come up with a creative alternative solution.
So usually when we have an issue with one of our robots, we first take a step back, we gather the relevant people of our team and we make a plan. Sometimes it just requires one person of the team, just me, if it's a mechanical problem. It could also be a combined electronics problem with a mechanical problem.
And what makes our team so effective in these situations is that everyone has a very unique secondary skill set that we can fall back on.
Lobster was really started when all of us came together with passions in different engineering fields. So some of us excelled in mechanical engineering. I myself was building hobby electronics at home. Some of us were doing all sorts of software projects. But the one factor that sort of bound us together was this passion for making good systems and specifically making the underwater world more accessible.
So what I've seen over the last year is that our development speed has really increased. That's super exciting. Right now we'll build our first Scout 3s and I see that over the years we're going to make many more that will be used in all of our oceans and seas.
And at the end of the day, what really matters are the results we produce. When I look at the Scout 3, I think we've done a pretty good job.